Did you know your chest muscles are not just for looks, but they also play a big role in daily movements like pushing doors, lifting bags, or even maintaining a strong posture? Yet, so many beginners either ignore chest workouts or do them incorrectly, which leads to frustration, slow progress, and sometimes injuries. If you've ever felt lost in the gym, staring at the bench press thinking, "Am I doing this right?" Then today's video is exactly for you. Hello guys, welcome back to our fitness and health channel, FitFusion USA. I'm super excited today because we are going to break down a complete beginner-friendly chest workout guide. If you're just starting your fitness journey, or maybe you've been inconsistent and want to build a stronger, more defined chest the right way, then stay with me till the end, because I'll not only show you step-by-step workouts, but also diet tips, benefits, and the motivation you need to stay consistent. Let's be honest, chest workout is one of the most popular goals for men in the gym. Everyone wants that broad, powerful, confident look. But here's the problem. Beginners often copy advanced lifters without understanding proper form. Many people just max out weights on bench press, but ignore the supporting chest exercises. And the biggest mistake? Not giving enough attention to nutrition and recovery, which are just as important as lifting weights. So if you've been working out and not seeing results, don't worry. It's not because you're weak. It's just because you need a structured, beginner-friendly plan. And that's what we're going to build today. All right, guys, let's get straight into the chest workout plan. This is a 5-exercise beginner routine you can follow 2 to 3 times per week. Make sure you rest at least 1 day between sessions to allow your muscles to recover. Exercise 1, flat bench press. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. This is the king of chest workouts. Lie down on the bench, feet flat on the floor. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Slowly lower the bar to mid-chest level, then push it back up while exhaling. Pro tip: don't bounce the bar off your chest. Control is key. If the bar feels too heavy, start with dumbbells. They're easier to manage. Exercise 2, incline dumbbell press. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Now we target the upper chest, which gives that fuller, athletic look. Set your bench to a 30 to 45 degree angle. Hold dumbbells, press them upward while keeping wrists straight. Lower slowly until elbows are about 90 degrees. Beginner tip: use lighter weights until you master the motion. Don't worry, form is more important than weight. Exercise 3, push-ups. 3 sets of 15 reps. Yes, good old push-ups. They're body weight, but super effective for beginners. Keep your hands slightly wider than shoulders, engage your core, lower down until chest nearly touches the ground, and push back up. If regular push-ups are too hard, do knee push-ups or incline push-ups against a bench. The key is consistency. Exercise 4, dumbbell flies. 3 sets of 12 reps. This exercise stretches and works the inner chest. Lie on a flat bench with dumbbells in hand. Start with weights directly above chest. Slowly open arms wide, then bring them back together like you're hugging a big tree. Common mistake: don't bend your elbows too much. Keep a slight bend and focus on squeezing chest at the top. Exercise 5, cable crossover. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. If your gym has cables, this is excellent for shaping. Stand in the center, grab handles, step slightly forward. Pull both handles together in front of you in a controlled motion. Focus on chest squeeze, not on pulling with arms. No cables at your gym, no problem. Stick with push-ups and dumbbell flies. They work great too. So there you have it, 5 beginner-friendly chest workouts. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer reps with proper form than rush through heavy weights incorrectly. Now guys, let's talk about something 70% of beginners ignore: nutrition. You cannot build muscle on pizza and soda. Trust me. Here are 3 simple chest-building diet tips. Protein is your best friend. Lean chicken, turkey, eggs, fish, Greek yogurt, beans, and lentils. Aim for protein in every meal. Carbs for energy. Don't cut carbs completely. Brown rice, oats, whole wheat bread, and sweet potatoes will fuel your workouts. Healthy fats matter. Nuts, avocados, and olive oil help hormone balance, which supports muscle growth. Practical tip. After your workout, have a protein shake with a banana. Quick, easy, and beginner-friendly. Why chest workouts? Besides the obvious looks, here's the science in simple terms. Chest muscles, or pectorals, are pushing muscles. They help with pushing movements in sports, lifting objects, or even getting up from bed. A strong chest improves posture, no more slouching shoulders. Strengthening chest muscles also balances upper body, which reduces injury risk. And yes, let's be real, it builds confidence. You feel good in clothes, and you stand taller. Now, I know as a beginner, the first few weeks can feel overwhelming. Maybe you look around the gym and see advanced lifters lifting heavy weights. You might feel like giving up. But listen, every expert was once a beginner. The guy pressing 225 pounds started with an empty bar. The key is consistency. Even if you just show up and put in 30 minutes, you are already ahead of everyone sitting at home. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. Progress is progress, even if it's small. Before we wrap up, here are 5 practical beginner tips for chest training. Warm up for 5 to 7 minutes before lifting, light cardio plus arm circles. Always focus on form first, weight later. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Sleep 7 to 8 hours daily. Recovery builds muscles, not just the gym. And track your progress. Even if it's just writing in a notebook, seeing improvement will keep you motivated. So there you go, friends, your complete chest workout for beginners. Simple, structured, and effective. If you follow these steps, stay consistent with your diet, and don't skip recovery, you'll start noticing results in just a few weeks. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your workout buddies, and subscribe to FitFusion USA for more fitness and health content every week. Thanks for watching, keep pushing, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, stay healthy.